Okay, so an LSAR can record many different types of information. Annual operating requirements, AOR. So how often are we going to operate the equipment? Reliability data, FMECA, which I'll elaborate on later, RCM logic. So what is the failure rate of the equipment? What is likely to cause it to fail? What is the effect locally and on the end item on the platform? How critical is the failure? What can we put in place to help to prevent the failure? So inspections, testings, scheduled replacement for life critical items. And this all leads us to then maintenance task analysis. So what do we need to perform the maintenance task? So we need spares, support equipment, manpower, facilities. All this information can be stored in the LSAR. Spares is a huge area. The AOR, the failure rate, can help drive spares modeling, so ranging and scaling of spares. There's an abundance of fields available to populate relating to provisioning those spares. Dimensions, weights, packaging requirements, hazardous indicators, shelf lives and how to extend the shelf life, calibration, does the item need calibrating, unit of issue, how is it issued, reference designators that are used in wiring diagrams, and so on and so forth. Other areas in the LSAR can also hold facilities data, training needs, personnel requirements, transportation data, ammunition requirements, and unit under test data. So quite a lot.
So supposed to say that is a lot of data for a ship or a aircraft or a weapons system or weapons platform. Why is it important? Or why is an LSAR so important to a weapon system or an aircraft or a ship?
So all platforms have to have a support solution. Bringing a new platform into service is just the beginning, and the majority of the program budget is spent on supporting the equipment for the next 20 to 30 years, or the life of the project. Getting that support solution right is critical to ensuring the platform is maintained in the most efficient manner and making sure every penny is well spent. An LSAR is the best place to house the data used to create, maintain, and enhance the support solution, as everything is held in one place, and that's why it's so important to a platform.
So is it an Excel spreadsheet or something like that, or is it like our SharePoint system where
you can an LSAR, as I said, can be anything you want, so you can have it in an Excel spreadsheet, but it's all tables. So think about an Excel spreadsheet.
Yeah.
Think about the tabs along the bottom. Yeah, each tab is a table, and that different table will hold a different type of set of information.
Okay.
So you've got groups of tables that hold your provisioning data, your facilities data, your maintenance task analysis data, your reliability data, and they all like knit together. So if you've got a maintenance task that requires a spare, it looks in the correct provisioning table and sucks that information into the maintenance task.
Right, okay.
You know? And then your reliability data, when I was talking about failures, that your reliability data might say this piece of equipment or this item might fail because if it's a relay, let's say, that the contacts stick together. So then you would say, okay, so how critical is it? Is the aircraft going to fall out the sky? Or have we got redundancy? And it is like, it's as simple as that. How critical is it? So if it's not critical, can we just like inspect it? Like do a pre-flight inspection or inspect it periodically? So then you say, okay, I need to inspect that item, so I need an inspection task. So then you have to then go and get all the spares, the tools, the technical documentation, the personnel, that how long it's going to take, and put that maintenance task together. So they all knit, all these different tables all like linked together.
That was a clip from the Briefing Room podcast, and you can watch the full episode here if you liked it. There it is. It should be a little box. I'll just get out of the way, and I'll let you click or use your finger if you're on your phone to click on it, or if you're on a TV you can somehow navigate on the controller to get to it, or if you're on a laptop you can just move your mouse right up there and press